The aim of this experiment is to demonstrate the process of cloud formation. Material required for performing this experiment is a clear plastic bottle, preferably of 1 liter capacity, water, matchbox, and a piece of newspaper.
Let us now make a cloud in this plastic bottle. So I have taken a 1 liter water bottle in which I have filled clean water up to 3/4 of this level. Now I'll give it a press and release. We'll give it a press and release, press and release, press and release. This will create a high pressure inside this, and the air here will get saturated with water. Do it multiple times. You can see some fog being deposited, but this is not like a cloud. So what do we do in order to make a cloud? We take a matchbox, light a match and drop it in. So this match will provide the dust particles that are required on which the water molecules will condense or the particles will condense, resulting in the formation of clouds. So when I release, you can see this white coming in. This is actually a cloud being formed. So when the pressure is released, you can see the formation of a cloud inside the bottle. When I press it, it disappears. When I release it, it appears. When I press it, it disappears. When I release it, it appears. So this is how a cloud can be formed inside a water bottle. You can see the fumes coming out. These are the cloud particles. You can see them coming out of this bottle.
The conclusion that can be drawn from this experiment is, when we squeeze the bottle, it increases the pressure and temperature, which prevents condensation, while when we release the bottle, it lowers the pressure and temperature, allowing the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets. The smoke from the match or from the burnt newspaper provides dust for the water vapor to cling on, that results in the formation of a cloud.